need to first understand the programming language.
Of course, we all are doing or learning these things for a job.
सिर्फ क्लोन बनाते रहने से काम नहीं चलेगा.
At the end, we want to learn.
कि उनके खुद के सेंस को यूज किया गया है.
You can get every single course Udemy for free.
To not be counted in a project section.
It's all because of money.
So प्रोजेक्ट वैसा होना चाहिए और उस बेसिस पे ही आजकल कंपनीज आपको हायर कर रही हैं.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Today we are going to dive into a very interesting topic. Like if you are a BCA student or any student from these fields like computer science field, then this video is especially for you.
Hi everyone, my name is Atul and I'm also from BCA. So if you are a BCA student or a computer science student, then you should really watch this.
So Atul, can you please tell our viewers a little intro that the difference between BCA and B.Tech?
So BCA are the computer application students and the B.Tech are the computer science students. So
Exactly.
There is a little bit difference, means computer application. So in BCA we focus more on applications and in B.Tech we focus on both sides, theory as well as application, but in more deeper. As we all know, the BCA is of 3 years and B.Tech offers 4 years. So if we are a BCA student, so we have a less time.
Can you please tell me what are the different syllabus or the different things in BCA and B.Tech field?
So BCA is a computer application and B.Tech is a computer science. In computer application, we deal with the actual practical application in the current industries, and in computer science means B.Tech, we deal with the theory as well as the practical application. B.Tech is a more deeper and a more descriptive curriculum, and BCA is a more concise and a more compact curriculum. Both are good, but BCA is of 3 years, that's why it has a very compact curriculum, and B.Tech is of 4 years, so B.Tech students will get more time to complete their syllabus and gain more time to expand their education.
We talked about that. Now, can you please tell me in that how a starter or a beginner student of BCA or B.Tech should start her journey?
So, as a B.Tech,
or what are the core skills they need to learn?
So, as a B.Tech or a BCA student, then he or she must have an inclination towards technology. So, if they are starting, means they have to first explore the world of technology, means exploring new things, exploring the world of technology, getting exposure to new systems, softwares, etc.
But if they
should know about that thing. Then after they should know how to build and what to create while using this thing.
As you said, like they have to explore different things in IT field. What I think is, if they are going to explore the IT fields as a beginner, they might be got confused or they might be got distracted that what to learn. That in online world where everything to learn available, they can learn this, starting also this. They all got confusion and distraction.
So you are right, they got confused and distracted. But if we divide the whole syllabus or the whole steps in 3 years for a BCA student, as we are talking about BCA students, so in first half, means in first semester, they should need to explore things as much as possible, means they should get exposure to other technologies, they should explore whatever they want. Means उनको जो जानना है टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में सब जाके जाने, वो एक्सप्लोर करें कौन सी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, कौन सी उनके लिए रेलेवेंट चीज़ें हैं, कौन सी उनके लिए रेलेवेंट नहीं, किसमें उनका इंटरेस्ट है, किसमें नहीं है. देन इन द सेकेंड सेमेस्टर आई वुड प्रेफर टू select few of them and go deeper in them. Then after in third semester, I would prefer to pick some tech stacks and be pro at that. And then after developing and making them better in that tech stack.
What I think is the BCA syllabus that we got like we are
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
studying.
We are studying BCA.
It's not like that. It's teaching something to us.
As
It's like very old, like old type. We are learning everything.
No, no, no.
But in what I think is, it's my point of view.
Okay.
What we need a perfect skill. If there's a syllabus or a say that curriculum for BCA that very compact and the only the main things that the students need in the future
Okay.
future phase or for job, or of course we all are doing or learning these things for job, for money. It's all because of money. Nothing we are doing like this all learning, no, nothing. At the end we want to learn money, earn money, I mean, I'm sorry. So it's basically the our goal is to earn money. So to
I
earn
want to
money,
stop you here, as there are two type of students or humans. Means one who are facing or chasing money, and other who are chasing knowledge.
but
So
they are very
let,
less amount.
12 seconds later.
Now let me get back to our point. We got distracted. I'm sorry. The just we were talking about distraction and we also got distracted.
yeah, real.
It's okay. Now tell me the importance of bookish knowledge and a practical knowledge. What is more important? Or we will keep doing both with the same line, like parallel, or we should focus on only practical or only bookish or theoretical knowledge.
So according to my point of view, practical knowledge is same important as bookish or theoretical knowledge. So first of all, we need to understand what we are studying. We should understand topic first, then move on to the practical knowledge. So before gaining practical knowledge, we should understand the theoretical knowledge in a deeper way. Means in not that deeper means कि अगर किसी को कोई चीज़ सीख रहे हो तो आप एक साल तक उसी चीज़ को सीखते रहो. That is waste of time.
We should improve us.
We should spend a relevant or required amount of time, not our whole time learning theoretical knowledge, because in industry हमें तो काम करना है, हमें अपना output देना है in a practical industry. So we should need to learn the theory first and then after we should go to practicals, so that कि हमारा learning curve और career curve बहुत smooth and exponential हो सके.
Exactly. तो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. बट
Practical
एज अ
knowledge.
बीसीए स्टूडेंट, बीसीए में तो ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल है इन कंपेयर टू बीटेक. बीटेक वालों को ज़्यादा डीपर में समझाया जाता है थियोरटिकल नॉलेज.
BCA में प्रैक्टिकल है, बट BCA में जो सब्जेक्ट्स एंड सिलेबस एंड करिकुलम्स पढ़ रहे हैं उन चीज़ों के लिए प्रैक्टिकल है. एंड बीटेक में थोड़े मोर डीपर जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज भी उतना ही रेलेवेंट है. As I give you an stats, as in BCA there is 30% theory and 70% practical. In BTech there is 50% theory and 50% practical. Okay.
एग्जैक्टली. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को कोई न्यू स्किल सीखनी है, ठीक है, तो उसके क्या क्या ऑप्शन है, कहाँ कहाँ से वो सीख सकते हैं कुछ एज अ बिगनर.
So we have ocean to swim. हमारे पास खुला समंदर है तैरने के लिए,
आसमान भी उड़ने.
आसमान भी उड़ने के लिए. तो we have a lot of space to do everything we want. We have YouTube. If there are two types of students who learn from free and who learn from paid, both are not good, not bad. They are on the same.
No, what I think is to spend money in this means in this advancement of technology era. If we are spending money on paid courses, then it's a waste of money. I think.
No,
What
no,
I
no.
think
That
is-
is not a waste of money.
because there are like sites called as Udemy. Udemy, they offer paid courses, but you can get every single course of Udemy for free. There are multiple websites available, but a beginner should just go and buy the courses.
But in today's era, paid courses are not only paid, but paid courses are somewhat कि आपने उस कोर्स के लिए पैसा दिया तो आप उस कोर्स के लिए डेडिकेटेड हो कि आप वो कोर्स कंप्लीट करोगे. दैट्स वाई पेड कोर्सेज आर इम्पोर्टेंट. मीन्स अगर मैंने यूट्यूब से कोई लेक्चर्स पढ़ना चालू किया तो मैं वो कभी भी ब्रेक कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उन्हें उसके लिए पे नहीं किया
हाँ
है,
वो तो
but
होता है कि जहाँ पैसा
it's a
खर्च होता है,
psychological,
जहाँ पैसा खर्च होता है वहाँ आदमी
yes,
टाइम देगा अपना,
you are
तो
right.
of course बात है.
बस तो paid courses, some of the paid courses which that are very cheap, that is only for to get you on the track
Exactly. अब जब हमने स्किल सीख ली एज अ बिगनर,
as a beginner.
तो वी नीड some project to apply for anywhere like internship or any for small jobs, part-time jobs, you can say that. So for building a project, or we can say that a portfolio, how can a student do that, a beginner who don't know anything?
A beginner who don't know anything, first he should need to learn a programming language.
No,
Then
I'm thinking that how
I'm starting. I'm saying from start.
Okay.
So they need to first understand the programming language, then building a relevant skill. Then after they should learn how to apply them in a practical world. Then after, if we talk about the projects, they should understand कि सिर्फ क्लोन बनाते रहने से काम नहीं चलेगा. That is good to understand the concept, but it's not counted in, should not be counted in a project section. Project is like should be कि उनके खुद के सेंस को यूज किया गया है कुछ नई चीज़ों को डेवलप या फिर कुछ आइडिया को डेवलप करने के लिए. सो प्रोजेक्ट वैसा होना चाहिए और उस बेसिस पे ही आजकल कंपनीज आपको हायर कर रही है कि आपका पर्सनल, आपका खुद का क्रिएटिव आइडिया कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग है उस चीज़ में.
Please tell me that what are the ways or platforms where a beginner should apply for internships, or they can find easily on those platforms.
Okay, so there are a lot of platforms. Like first of all, if we are a BC or B.Tech student, in first semester or first month, we are building our Instagram नहीं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, LinkedIn profile
And GitHub also,
also. So
because it's like professional
it gives us a professional look or a
professional perspective.
So after building all these, we can apply here also. Means we can apply on LinkedIn. There's a section for a job. We also get internship or a job opportunity from GitHub also. Okay. Means there's a lot of company who post who make his code open source, and we can branch them and combine to the main branch. So that's another thing. There is another Naukri.com, Indeed, Job Indeed.
There's a Glassdoor,
as you were talking.
It's
a famous. So there's a lot of platform where we can find job or internship. So बस ऐसा है कि हमें एक इंटेंशन होना चाहिए कि हम वो जॉब के लिए हैं और हमारे पास वो रेलेवेंट स्किल है.
Now let me keep this as compact as possible, otherwise you're gonna bore the audience.
Yes.
So
बहुत ही लंबा हो जाना है guys.
So we'll see you in our next episode or next part 2. Until then, take care. Bye bye.